Hello and welcome to another one of my Leetcode videos. In this one, we'll do Leetcode 2544, alternating digit sum. This was part of the Leetcode contest today. So basically what we're given is a number n, and we need to output the alternating digit sum. So the first number would be plus, the second number would be negative, the third number would be positive, and so on for each digit. Basically, that's the question. And what will be our approach? So it's basically very simple. We'll just get the digits of the number starting from the reverse to all the way to the start, because it's easier to do it that way. And then we'll start by doing plus minus from the end of the array, right? But in case the length of the number of digits we have is even, like here, then we'll just flip our answer at the end, because we were supposed to use negative at the end, right? So let's write the code and we can see how this goes. So basically we'll say while n not equal to 0, this is how we get the digits. So we'll divide n by 10 on each iteration, and the digit would be equal to n mod 10, right? And we'll keep track of our sum. So this will be the sum of all these digits, and we'll keep track of the number of digits we got, right? So at each loop, we'll increment number of digits by 1. And for the sum, what we'll say is sum plus equals digit times. Now, if the num digits is even, right? So if so far we've seen an even number of digits, we'll just multiply it by 1, right? So we'll start by positive at the end, and then negative, and then positive, right? And otherwise, if the num digits mod 2 is odd, that means it's the the second position, the like 1th index position, then we'll use -1 as our multiplier, right? So this will basically make it alternating, and at the end what we'll do is, if our total digits is even, we'll return sum times -1, right? Because actually, if it's even, we were supposed to start with a minus instead of a plus. And if the total number of digits is odd, then we already have the right algorithm, and we'll just return sum. So let's run that and see how that does. All right, accepted. Let's submit. Perfect. 100% solution. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.